Reasons to begin consuming turmeric. Probably the most revered spices for cooking and healing, turmeric includes a lengthy good reputation for use within Ayurvedic medicine. Finally, the civilized world has started to acknowledge its health advantages, a few of which are supported by a powerful body of research. Wealthy in antioxidants. The curcumin pigment is really an effective antioxidant which destroys toxins in your body, those rogue molecules which damage cell membranes and DNA, and cause cell dying. For liver health. Lengthy considered a tonic for that liver, turmeric has been discovered to enhance symptoms of liver function, even just in those with already impaired livers. Improve immunity. With antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity, it should not be a surprise to uncover that turmeric can offer a life towards the defense mechanisms when taken regularly.